Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the continuation of solving problems involving analytic geometry. We are still on the basic or fundamentals. Number 1 is directed distances. Under directed distances, we have directed distances aligned horizontally. And the formula we need to use is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let's proceed to solve the next problem. Problem 1.2, find the distance from point A, located at negative 8, 0, to point B, located at 6, 0. Let's illustrate the problem in Cartesian plane. Point A is located here, which is negative 8, 0. Point B is located here, which is 6, 0. In order to get or to determine the distance from A to B, we are going to use the formula x sub 2 minus x sub 1. The value of x sub 2 is positive 6 minus the value of x sub 1 is negative 8. 6 minus negative 8 is equivalent to 6 plus 8, which is 14. Therefore, the distance from A to B is equal to 14 units.